For this project, you will need chain, one piece that's 16 centimeters, and two that's are 14, and two that's 12, and two who's 10 centimeters, and two that's 8 centimeters, and two that's 6 centimeters, and two that's 4, and two who's 2 centimeters. And you will need 16 beads, and these are, at least in my country, they're called stardust beads. They're in metal. And you will need some tubular seed beads. I don't know the proper English words for those. If you know that, you can comment down below so that I will learn. And the first thing you'll do is to cut your memory wire like this. I have cut it like 1 centimeter overlapping. And when you start on your project, you put your first chain on. Like that, and that's your middle piece. And then you will start stringing one bead on each side. Like that. And then you put the 14 centimeters chain on. One on each side. You continue to do this until you put the last chain on. Looks something like this. And now we're going to fill up the sides. Oh, it's out of picture. I will fill up the sides here with these silver beads. And you have to have the equal amount on each side. On that side, so I put a clip on so it won't fall off. I will put 15 on the other side. Now I have 19 beads on each side. So now I will start to close it. We're going to put on a clasp. First you have to make a loop. There, it's closed. To adjust it a bit. Now we're going to push all the beads back as hard as we can, because we have to adjust the length a little bit. And we have to cut it off. You leave about 1 centimeter so that you will be able to make the loop. Like that, and then we'll make the loop. Make sure you don't break the beads when you do this at the end. This memory wire is very hard, so it's easy to be a little bit too strong for the beads. Then we have to close it. Like that. Now we're going to put a clasp on, and we're also going to make put on a chain that's going to dangle down your back. I take a piece of chain, and it's about 10 centimeters that I will use for the back. Like that. And another stardust bead. You take a head pin and you put your stardust bead on it. Like that. You bend the head pin. Then you cut it off. And you make a loop like that. Now we're going to put it on the chain. Oh, sorry. So you open the loop back open. Put the chain on. And then you close it. Like that. Then you take a flat nose plier and a jump ring. You open that. You put the chain on. And then you put your memory wire on. You close it like that. And you take another jump ring. that. You put your clasp on and your memory wire, and you close it like that. This is the waterfall necklace from memory wire and chains. What did you think about that waterfall necklace? Me myself, I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you won't miss out on any content. See you next time. Bye!